So I went to this networking event, okay, into this AI networking event in Bangalore, okay. It's quite some months before. So there was one girl in the networking event. She was just following me. Like, girl. These days, no. To escape from men is also easy. But to escape from women's eyes, the razor speed eyes that goes in the hair, that goes in the dressing and everything, women are the most. I'm afraid of women more than men because they scan our whole body and trying to find how they are better, how we have to groom, like that they take us. Inspiring is okay. But it's so much like I can go in sleeveless in front of men, but not in front of women. I feel shy and afraid. Everything. So I'm just joking. So I went to this networking event. There was one the girls who are in that burqa, right? So there was one girl who came late, and there are lots of seats, but she chose to sit next to me, and I was like, okay. And then there were free popcorns and all. I went to take popcorn and she followed me. And then I went to take tea. She followed me. And then I went to restroom. She followed me. I really did not understand what is happening. Why somebody is to follow everywhere. And then she sat next to me. And then I was like, felt annoyed, Like, why somebody have to keep on? It's just a little bit creepy. Like, it's not a good feeling. So I felt creepy. So, there was a moment, there was a session of asking questions, like audience can ask questions. And she asked me, I have a question, but I'm afraid. Then I was like, go ask her. You have a valid question. I was just pushing her. I don't know anything about her. She was just afraid to speak. So I was like, go speak. And then she was like, no, people can't hear me. Then I took her to the center of the stage and made her speak. She asked that question out of defeating the person. So why I'm telling this? Because all through the time she was following me, she was annoying me and all. I have a feeling that people follow you or, they bother you so much because I think in the whole crowd, she found me that I'll be of help to her. And she didn't trust anyone there. And I think it was creepy, but it was like she didn't have a choice. She liked me or she thought I'll be open or she thought I'm friendly. And I pushed her to talk in front of that many people. I think she came from a conservative background. And so she found me contrasting to her. So I think she got attracted or I don't know. So even a kid, it follows you throughout the room, across the room. There must be a lot of people in the house, but the kid follows you means it trusts you. So do not take it annoyed. Try to understand the trust and help the kid. That's what I was trying to say. And that lady, although she did all the creepy things, I was literally scared, but I understood later. She was out of fear and she wants some she wants some confidence. She wants some confident person to support her. So she was trying to gain the strength from me sitting next to me. And I was feeling good. I was that inspiration for somebody to feel comfort in my presence, and I gave the strength to her. And I also pushed her to talk in front of a podium, ask questions from the audience. I think I did right. What do you think? Yeah, have a good day.